name?
MOHAMMED.
MOSTAMMED.
SHAH.
SHAH.
RHMAN.
RHMAN. Female.
बड़ा
But what is
Hey, hello. So finally it's time for me to leave this country. Finally it's time for me to leave India after like around 20 months or so. Last time when I came back from Turkey in 2020 February, I was stuck here due to this pandemic and everything and some personal issues. Now, after a very long time, it's time for me to leave this country. So where I'm off to, you'll know it very soon. So first thing we have to do after coming to the airport is go register and get a PCR test done, which is worth of rupees 2,500. Registration process is done and the test entry will begin at 8:40 a.m. So right now the time is 8:10 a.m. and we have a plenty of time. Now it's time to leave. Done with the PCR test and now waiting for the results. I think it will take around 45 to 50 minutes probably. And yeah, I'm still waiting.
Shamjid, Muhammad Shafa, Rahman. Rishad, Muhammad Shabib, Karimanakal, Afif,
Shafa Rahman.
Fasil, Kaveri Shabib, Kapukunan, Devi Subhash, Abdullah, Kundaman Kuni, Samjid, Muhammad Shafan.
Thank you.
Muhammad Niyaz,
So PCR test results came out and it's negative. So yeah, done with this process too, and now waiting for the baggage counter to open. I'm a bit afraid of that part because I kind of have excess luggage. I'm a bit worried about that, and yeah, let's see what happens. yeah, like I said, I was a bit worried about the luggage section, luggage part, and I had around 11 kgs of excess weight, and I had to pay a huge amount, like around 3,000 rupees for that excess luggage. And rest, it was easy. Immigration done, check-in done, security done, and now waiting for the flight. And I have around 2 hours to waste. The flight is at 1:40 p.m. and now it's 11:45 a.m. So 2 more hours to go. And yeah, see you on the other side. So bye. Peace.